Hello, my name is Larin Tlonga. I am in grade 7. I am 14 years old. I am one of the students of Simple English School. Today, I want to talk about why I am proud to be Chin. First, I am proud of our culture. Chin people have beautiful clothes, music, and dances. We usually wear and perform them in our Chin festival. When I wear my Chin dress or hear Chin songs, I feel happy and proud. Second, I am proud of our people. Chin people are strong, faithful, and hardworking. Even life is hard, we work together, help each other, and don't give up. Third, I am proud of our values. Chin people are kind, respectful, and honest. We care about our families and our community. These values make us special. Moreover, I am proud to be Chin because of our faith. We worship the true God who created everything. Our faith teaches us to live in a good and honest way. It helps us to be kind, strong, and hopeful. Because of our faith, we support one another and stay united as a community. Lastly, I am proud to be Chin because when someone dies, our people come together, help, pray, and sing funeral songs. These acts of love comfort the family and remind us of God's love and hope. In conclusion, I am proud to be Chin because of our beautiful culture, our strong character, and our guiding faith. If we continue to value these things, the Chin people will keep shining wherever we go. Thank you.